Hess toy truck and helicopter. Open it. 1995. Helicopter and battery replacement information. So we got it out of the box. Here's the helicopter. Let's turn it on. Let's do the lights. There's the lights. Here's the that's it. You press it, it goes on. It goes in the middle. It's off. It's on. There's the lights. Press it, that goes on. The lights stay on if this is on this. You push the button to the back. The lights will stay on. If you press it, you could fly. I'm going to shut the lights off too to show you what it looks like at night. So there's that. Here's the truck. I guess this is not an 18-wheeler. Oh, it's a, oh yeah it is, because it's 8 and 8 and 2. So here's the truck. I'll turn it on. There's the on button. And there are the lights on. I don't know if you can see them, but they're on. The lights are on. I need to turn the lights off so we could see. Let's just turn this one off and see. Oh, that's a little bit better. So the lights are on. Here's the helicopter lights. There we go. There's the truck lights. This has a pull-down ramp. I guess you could drive the helicopter right onto it. Your semi-truck. And then it has little grooves right here to hold on to. I think this is a takeoff part too, because it's got the marking for the helicopter right there. And then this goes right back in, like that. It turns, goes all around. I don't think it makes any noises. I don't hear any noises. Does it make any noises? It just says lights on. Doesn't show anything. I don't see any buttons on it to make a sound. It's in really good condition now. It's got a scratch on it right there. See that? Probably just touched that up. You really don't notice it, but I just did. Little wear-offs here. No, that's supposed to be that way, I think. Anything else on this side? No. And then this comes from another set, and we gave that little truck away, but these were left behind in probably the Barbie stuff, so we're going to put those in there. The little Hess oiled little tanks. So we're going to, I think they fit right here. I think they could fit right there. We'll just include them. They're worth about $20, I would say, maybe more. I don't know, because they're vintage too. And I guess you have extra oil wherever you're going. So the helicopter has rotor sounds, operating helicopter rotor and lights, and then headlights and taillights on the tractor trailer. I'm going to turn the lights off so you can see. There we go. There's the helicopter. It's operating, it's blinking, so it doesn't crash into anything. Alright, and here's the searchlight. So we can see where it's going. Here's the tractor trailer light. Very nice. It's got its running lights. There's its tail lights. There's the Hess truck logo lit up. Real nice. And there we go. The Hess 1995 tractor trailer gasoline truck. There we go. Nice toy. Cute toy.